Okay, are any of them actually inside the premises at the moment? Right, to the youth causing a disturbance, you are being monitored on CCTV. You've been absolutely by staff. You need to leave these premises immediately or we will be dispatching police.
Holly, put your fucking camera away. You're such a fucking weirdo.
YouTube famous at the end of the night.
Oh, YouTube. Facebook famous. Oh, I want a bit of fun now. I'm going to join in.
Yeah, I can see we had an issue about 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Was that the same group?
They said yes, he's fucking close.
This is what school is. Have to.
If they said don't put like only 16, because they'll beat the shit.
Any further refusal to do so will result in police being dispatched. Leave the premises immediately.
Fuck the police.
They're not leaving, are they? They can't even hear it, it's outside.
It's because they're hard, aren't they? They're like 13 years old and that's going to do with the lad. He's down and he's smoking. Oh, hard look. Oh, they'll go.
It's alright. It's alright. Yeah.